Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, first we have to work this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And there is multiplication here. 11 multiplied by 2. It equals 22. And 22 divided by 22, it equals 1. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. Then, if there is any exponent in this problem, then we have to work exponents. And then multiplication or division. And finally addition or subtraction. Here, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Here, according to this rule, first we have to work this 1 plus 1 equals 2, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 22 divided by 11 multiplied by 2. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. 22 divided by 11, it equals 2. 2 multiplied by 2. And it equals 4. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 4. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and support me.